Soccer, it's not just a game. It is hope, passion, pride, the joy of being part of a team. Soccer has the power to change lives, to unite communities. And for the millions who support and play this beautiful game, it is what dreams are made of. But in Africa, the dream begins here. It's a wonder that our players ever develop world-class football skills when they learn the game on dusty, uneven surfaces like this. Their individual handling skills are good, a way of coping with the rough surfaces. But when it comes to competing in the international arena, they sometimes don't have the range of skills and finesse that will raise their game to real greatness. But it's not just about their football skills. Soccer can be part of a game plan for their lives. Experts agree that sport plays a positive role in the development of our youth, teaching them good values and keeping them happy and fit. And there are even greater benefits of providing a good community field. When it is incorporated with social upliftment initiatives, the facility becomes a focal point, an essential part of the community, even providing employment and income. The problem, though, is the time and cost of maintaining a football field in good condition, particularly in our climate. And this is a major reason behind the poor state of so many pitches on our continent. So, what's the solution? How can we uplift our communities while growing the skills of the next generation of stars? The answer is new generation artificial surfaces that have a true bounce and remain in consistently good condition throughout the year. But these artificial surfaces aren't just an affordable solution for the lower leagues. They are seen as the way of the future by some of the leading clubs internationally. GreenFields, the leading artificial sports surface company in Europe, installed this turf system at the Color Line Stadium in Norway. With 20 years of experience in the development and installation of synthetic playing fields around the world, the GreenFields systems are developed using the same testing equipment as FIFA, UEFA, and the NFA-affiliated research laboratories. And many other leading training grounds and stadia are choosing artificial turf systems from GreenFields. They don't become waterlogged or die back as a result of frost, snow, flooding, or excessive heat. So football can be played all year round. There is virtually no downtime for ground repair, dressing, rolling, replanting or relaying. They never need watering, a critical factor in parts of Africa where water is scarce or difficult to access. In addition, their high UV stability makes them suitable for harsh climates. Players love these artificial surfaces too. They offer consistent bounce and ball roll, excellent sliding and friction resistance, and shock absorption that mirror the properties of the best natural grass fields. Testing is done to simulate the play and use of the turf to evaluate how systems will behave over a longer period of time. GreenFields provides the necessary tools to measure the critical elements in the installation's performance on an ongoing basis. The GreenFields FT5 floor test measures the thickness of the infill on specific installations to ensure consistent performance and shock absorption across the entire field. The GreenFields 3-in-1 performance test measures the other key performance elements, namely ball roll, ball bounce, and level variations of the field. These should be consistently within FIFA-certified recommendations across the entire field for optimal playing conditions to be achieved. All results are recorded on the performance and testing reports provided by GreenFields and forwarded to the nearest GreenFields office on a regular basis to allow for speedy troubleshooting of any problems that may emerge over the lifespan of the pitch. In 2004, GreenFields joined forces with leading South African company Belgotex Floor Coverings to expand their capacity and service Africa better. The turf is manufactured locally at their state-of-the-art factory to the GreenFields international specifications, and GreenFields South Africa offers the full service from the initial feasibility study to the laying of the turf and the implementation of an ongoing maintenance plan. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond product quality, and we believe in minimizing the impact that our manufacturing practices have on employee health and safety and the environment as a whole. GreenFields turfs meet the Swiss and Norwegian environmental standards amongst the most stringent in the world. We are also extensively involved with social upliftment programs in Africa, and through our Fields of Dreams initiative, we aim to provide isolated communities across the continent with multi-purpose fields that serve both as quality playing surfaces and community upliftment projects. Our core goal is to provide future African football stars with every opportunity to improve their game with similar training facilities and playing fields to their European counterparts, ensuring a legacy that lasts beyond any one major tournament. But how is a high-tech artificial playing surface created? A good playing surface starts with the initial preparation. Civil engineers prepare the ground surface where the field is leveled and an efficient drainage system is installed. Close attention is paid to the correct water drainage throughout the process, ensuring a swift vertical and horizontal release of water from the playing surface. Once this has been done, the 4-meter wide turf is rolled out and glued together. Special cutting and seaming techniques are employed to ensure seamless joints. The turf is made with a unique blend of high-quality monofilament fibers, engineered for optimum on-field performance in different applications and playing conditions. White turf is then cut and laid to mark out the playing lines. The special infill laid on the surface is either a thermoplastic elastomer, free of any toxic or heavy metal materials, or recycled rubber granules. To complete the installation, the surface is then thoroughly brushed. The result? A field that will require minimal maintenance and will provide a world-class surface for many years to come. When it comes to maintenance, a professional cleaning and maintenance service is offered, either on a once-off or a contractual basis. Our easy-to-navigate website was developed to provide online maintenance support 24/7. An important part of the growth of soccer in any country is the provision of sufficient quality playing fields that are ready to play on throughout the year, where legends are made. GreenFields and Belgotex floor coverings, building dreams from grassroots up.